Welcome to Joyce Gibson-Inniss Hall, also known as JGI, designated for medical students. So here we have the inside of a bedroom. So you have your own room, each person. It has, the bed, the sink with a mirror, shelves, and a closet. Here is outside. You have different blocks. So we have the common rooms. Some common rooms have deep freeze, and right across the common room we have the kitchen, which has a stove, double sink, and a fridge. Just a few pointers about JGI. It's a pretty quiet hall. When I was there, I really liked it. Everybody was really study focused. So here is the laundry room. And here's just outside. You can exercise, have events, games, study areas. So yeah. So in the recreational room that is right there, they have a computer lab.
This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family, feel it.